gon' do? Where you at? Who you with? You ain't really about this, don't talk about it. Really on the move, on the map, never slip. Keep your hands to your lips, don't talk about it. Real eyes, real lives all the time. Stand on it, if we said it, we don't walk around it. Loose lips, sink ships, red cup, blue strips.
What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Breckenridge on like a 10-inch pow day, 8-inch pow day. There's supposed to be some pow here, so we're gonna have a great day. We also ran into RJ. Hi. And you'll see. And we're gonna have a sick day, so let's get it.
Get it.
Cody's snowboard is just faster than mine.
Because I'm really good at snowboarding.
The plan today is to go up the T-bar. We're just not gonna wait for them to open it. It's gonna take a couple minutes, hours, long time. So we ran into a flock of moosin hanging out with us today.
Yo!
Don't even know their names, but they're in the wild.
Johnny, you want to be in the Breck instructors at it?
Yeah, let's go. What's up, Breck instructors?
Hey, give us a sentence of motivation real quick.
All right, point it, never turn it, close your eyes, trees, don't move. I'm so tired. And that is what all the Breck locals call toilet bowl. Woo! Drop that. All right, sending it. So they're running the Colorado lift, but no one's allowed up it. And right now they're also driving a cat through the park and crushing it, which is always the worst day of the year. I hate seeing it. Oh, T-bar just opened. Let's go. Here we go. Might be the closest me and Cody's ever been to each other.
So far.
So the worst part about today isn't that it's a pow day. That's the best part. But they've closed so many lifts and so much stuff because it's end of season that there's not much open. So it feels like it's a busy day on the mountain when it's not. Like there's like no one here.
Yeah.
But everyone's in the T-bar line because they all want to ride.
There's no one here, but everyone is here.
Here. But have you ever dropped horseshoe bowl?
Yeah, I went and lapped it a couple
Oh
times.
yeah. So have you dropped it on a pow day?
No.
Here we go. Cody's first time.
Hopefully it's as good as a slush day.
Oh, it is.
Probably not. I have low hope.
Slush badger. Here we go. Look how cool the clouds look right now. Nuts. Contest bowl? Oh, when does this ever happen?
So it's just there, that corner.
To the left.
Yeah, so you go right around these trees, you come in blind off the heel edge, and take it into the left.
That was sick. I didn't know that was there. Dude.
Oh my god,
That was smooth.
Yeah.
Was it big?
That's that
fucking
it was
huge.
Big. I bowed out on that. That was massive.
Woo! We could probably hit it again. If we
Oh, easily.
When a local moose wants to show you around, you follow it.
Been here for 16 years, growing out my antlers.
Dude!
You know.
Let's go!
That was
sick.
huge. Trying to cover the wind up, but I definitely am getting way more into like those big drops and the natural pow. Like nothing feels better than landing in a nice steep pow, and you just, the way you slow down, you just kind of like lean back into the pow and just like, oh, it feels so good. Epic lift lines.
Yeah. How you doing, man?
Good.
Long time.
Guys, we got Ben, and he's repping the sticker. Let's go.
Let's go, man.
Appreciate the love, man. So that lift line was pretty long. It took a minute to get to here. You know what I'm saying? But you know what? It's never a long line. You never have to wait for it. You'd always get it. Today's sticker shout out. We got Matthew with 3 Evolution stickers, 2 of the Roman Lego stickers, and a white sticker on the computer. Looking insane, man. As well as we got the CaliCream.ca with 2 Evolution stickers as well. We got the white one on the nose, and then the goggle and crossbone, which is my favorite Evolution sticker. That is linked in the description. All of our Evolution stickers, guys, are linked down below. And if you're a skier, we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker, as well as our hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, windbreakers. All of the merch is linked down below. If you do snag it, it supports the dream. It's how we do this for a living. It's how we are going to continue snowboard through mid-July. Me and Cody, the family, and the ski dock are loading up, heading to California till June 1st. And then in June 1st, we'll be in Oregon till mid-July, just snowboarding all the resorts that are still open on the West Coast. So definitely, 1, subscribe if you're new, but 2, snag some stickers and support that dream, because gas is not that cheap, and I'm assuming in California a little more expensive. And we're
Good thing is Martha's not that thirsty.
I feel like Martha's gonna drink about $300 a tank. So all right, enough talking. Let's try and hit that jump again. That was pretty fun.
Yeah, it was fun. Well, I didn't hit the jump, but the run was fun.
But the whole thing, the vibe was fun.
It's fun, guys.
We're having fun. Oh, come on. Come on, man. No. Second time. I can't believe I fell the second time. Let's go!
Almost had that.
Yes, sir! Yeah! Nice! Alright, see if Cody hits it. Yeah, Cody! Let's go, dude! That was massive! Let's go! You guys killed it! That was sick! Crew vibes. Don't take my line. Let's go! Oh yeah, buddy! I'm so happy you made yourself do it too.
I wasn't, and at the last second I was like, you know what?
So sick, Cody. So that moment right there where like Zay hit his first cliff, Cody hit his first cliff, like we showed everyone that, and it was like that energy and everyone hitting it and just sending it, you know, we're all getting scared and sending it together. that moment is what makes snowboarding special. What I absolutely love about snowboarding, that right there was an incredible moment for the crew and just for the day. And like, dude, the day's perfect. It was amazing. Let's go. Alright, so we went and hit that cliff jump again, but I forgot to put the camera in 360. Brain fart. So yeah, we missed the shot, but everyone killed it. Now we're going to go up Imperial, try and get to the lake chutes, and drop that. So the goal is to go to those rocky faces right there. What's up? What's your name? Mike. Nice to meet you. On top of the world. That's peak 10. We ride that in the summer. I'm standing on top of like a 40-foot cornice right now, by the way. Pretty terrifying. Alright, what we got? That orange looking snow can possibly be like firm. So like just be aware of the conditions, okay? We're waiting for a window of light so we can see better in here. Because why would you not want to see better? You know what I'm saying? Definitely icy. Woo. Gonna traverse our way out of the super icy section. If you cannot tell, these rocks are super sharp. Bottom section was good. Normally I go right down that middle, but I tried to set a heel edge, like slipping out hard. So we gotta wait for it to get slushy, come back and get it. Ooh! That bottom section was money.
I need to call the ski dock after that one.
I'm gonna risk pulling to get out of here. A lot of work, but those are definitely the best turns of the day. Looks like it's really good snow right here too. At least I didn't land on a rock. I just clipped one.
That might have been like the best turns of the day right there.
Yeah,
like
that was
5
sick.
seconds.
See, that rock got me good. I was vibing that one, and that rock came out of nowhere. 1 foot traversing. Here we go. That's why I gotta practice your 1 foots. Oh, this traverse out. It's annihilating me. Oh, nothing the ski dock can't fix. Alright, we're dropping into Whale's Tail. Psych myself out. So mad I psyched myself out on that corner. I had that one. Ugh. We're getting better though. We're getting better at Big Mountain. Woo. Taking the other side of those rocks and then down. Looking for the last good drop, you know? Chipmunk on the pow drop. Yeah, this is way better. Yeah. Looks like we got a rock drop too. You gotta be careful when you play around in the rocks though. As you saw earlier, I got grabbed by one. Cool with that rock drop, not huge. We're getting better. Every time we snowboard, we're getting better. Whew. Did you hit the rock too?
No,
I
was too tired for that ride out.
That was sick.
That was fun.
All right, Team Buckhouse, this is where we're gonna end the video because we're gonna film for the rest of the run an additional video for you guys, a how-to. I don't know if it's popped up yet or before this one or whatever, but with that, thank you so much for sharing with us today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you next week, tomorrow, with another video, because it's daily on this channel, even through the summer. Here we go.